Hi guys, I'm Ifrah. Today we're going to make a clock. Telling time is hard for telling grade ones, so we're making it easier by making a clock. We have to cut this circle, and we have to make a smaller circle inside. We have to write down the numbers 12, 3, 6, and 9. Now we can write down other numbers. Now we have to write numbers that still count by 5. Write o'clock on the top. Write quarter past and quarter to, just like me. Now write half past. I cut out these two hands. One is for hour and one is for minute. Ask an adult for help to stick the hands with a pin. It's 3 o'clock. It's 10:15. It's 2:40. Now it's 12:35. Now it's 4:45. Now telling time in words. 3:30. 4:45. Hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Oh, these are dancing. That is hurting me. That is hurting me. Yeah. And my mind just